Welcome to February 29th LeetCode Challenge, Counting Bits. Given an integer n, return an array answer of length n plus 1 such that for each I, we have I is greater than or equal to 1, 0, and less than or equal to n, where answer at index I is the number of ones in the binary representation of I. So what does that mean? It means that so say you're given the integer n, the integer n equals 2. So we're given the output 0, 1, 1. What does that mean? So it means that if we count all the way to binary number of index 2, so for instance, the binary representation of 0 is 0, binary representation of 1 is 1, binary representation of 2 is 1, 0. We want to count the number of ones at each increment, each step. So there's no zeros here, there's 0, 0, there's 0 ones here, there's 1, 1, and there's 1, 1, and 2. So similar, extending on that principle, we have n integer n equals 5. Here's the number between 0 to 5 in this binary representation. And we're counting, for each binary representation, we're counting the number of ones that exist in this binary representation. So there's 0, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2. And this is the number that's outputted there in the answer array. So n is between 0 to 10 to the 5th. And it's saying if we come up with a runtime of big O of linear time basically, big O of n. So here's some hints here. I probably won't look at them just yet, because I think I already probably think of an answer already. So the first thing we want to do is create a our answer output. So that's going to be an array. So return an array answer called answer of length 1 n plus 1. And also I want to develop a binary representation called this binary. And that's going to be the binary representation. I'm going to actually assign that to be empty for now. And that's going to be the binary representation of the number. So the next thing I'm going to do is do a for loop. So basically what I'm going to do is do a for loop for each number between 0 all the way to n. So for I in range of n plus 1, right, because we have 0 included, what we want to do is we want to find the binary representation, and we're going to use bin index I, and we're going to take the slice between everything after 2. So the bin operator, basically, if we give binary of n equals to 5, the binary representation is going to be 0b, essentially that. We want to get rid of these two what's called prependent numbers, and then we want to just get the actual binary representation. And then for that, it's a for we're still inside the for loop. We also want to append that to our answer array. Append, and what do we want to append? We want to append the number of ones in our binary. And just basically do a binary.count of character 1. We append that to our answer, then we just want to return our answer afterwards. We return our answer. Let's see how this goes. Time complexity wise, this should be big O of n because we have a for loop here. Maybe you have additional runtime complexity due to count and other stuff, but I think it should be okay for now. And memory is big O of basically n, big O of n, because each number will be a number stored within the answer array. Let's submit it. And accept it. There you go. Actually, maybe not. I don't know. The number's pretty low, but in terms of memory complexity. And runtime complexity, as I say. But works for now. That's it. Have a great day, guys.